This special recipe deliciously blends PJ's Jamaican heritage with his newfound French one. It's a deconstructed Jamaican beef patty full of rich French flavors and spicy Jamaican seasonings.
This dish, you know, it represents parts of me. And with French culture being very elegant, I feel like we're essentially making an en vogue high-end patty.
PJ simmers the beef in traditional bourguignon flavors, mushrooms, pearl onions, and red wine, and Jamaican seasonings such as allspice berries and Scotch bonnet peppers until the beef is fall-apart tender.
Oof, that smells delicious.
PJ then bakes puff pastry to mimic the pastry in a Jamaican patty, brushing it first with butter mixed with turmeric, a popular Jamaican spice. Go on.
How you doing, brother?
I'm good. Okay. How's it coming along?
Great.
Almost done?
Think so. Getting there.
Okay, well, your family's here.
Nice. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I can't wait for them to find out that their boy is Jamaican and French.
I can't wait to give them the new patois PJ.
Patois PJ.
All right.
Perfect. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, see you.
To finish, PJ spoons a heaping serving of the bourguignon stew over a round of pastry, placing a second pastry disc on top to create a deconstructed beef bourguignon patty.